Good day, my name is Brenda Licenia, and this time I will be explaining the process of my class plan. I am from third semester in English degree program. Begin. Topic: I take care of my health and of my family. Level 3, class development tip, 2 hours. Objective: to exchange information in English about symptoms and ways to prevent problems in your community. Gains and the end of the class student will be about two. Number one, expressing simple English language roles and responsibilities for the prevention of health problems in their local context. Number two, recounts words and expressions in English of nurse for the prevention of health problems. Number three, connect the sound of a word or phrase in English with a picture to help them remember it. Methodology. The class will start with a greeting song in English. Good morning, hello, how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning, hello, how are you? The introduction of the topic will be done by showing some images of boys and girls having good habits, asking the student to describe them in Spanish. Then the teacher will write them on the blackboard and the translates them into the vocabulary to be used. And for the clarification of the subject, a video will be presented which will show good hand habits in Spanish and English. As the video goes on, it will allow the child the pronunciation of this vocabulary. After watching the video, a question will be asked in English: how often do you brush your teeth? And then I will eat in Spanish, ¿con qué frecuencia te cepillas tú los dientes? So that the children become familiar with English. I will also make clear that this help used to prevent by service. Developing. Students will be given an exercise to strengthen their skills where you should cover the good habits. Then you will begin an exercise to develop your skill. As homework, the children will talk to their parents about good habits and the importance they have. Then with the help, they have to take a photo of themselves doing this good habits, stick in their notebook and write them correctly in English. Leave right that for the next class there will be an evaluation of the topic, and at the end of the class the boys and girls will be asked to evaluate the activities they're learning and what they had difficult with. Assessment to check the student progress. Within the class evaluation process, a student will be evaluated in two ways: in the development of the class when asked about how often do they brush their teeth. Um, at the end, when the boys and girls are asked to evaluate the activities they're learning and what they had difficult with. Formative evaluation. The exercise to develop my skill, summative evaluation. And already in the next class, the evaluation of the topic that will continue to be a summative evaluation. Thank you very much.